Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new to SHEIN and want to create an account, it only takes a few minutes on your phone. First, start by opening SHEIN app on your Android or iPhone. Then, on the home screen, tap on the account icon at the bottom. Next, choose the sign in or sign up option. After that, you can sign up using your email address or your phone number. Then, type in your email or phone number. Choose your country if you're using phone number, or just simply type in your email. If you use a phone number, enter the verification code sent to you on your phone. If you are using the email, enter a password, a strong password, then click register. If you want, you can change your password. If you don't want to, you can. It's optional. Next, you are going to go ahead and input your phone number, then click submit. Or if you want, you could also simply just skip this step. After this step, you'll be verified. Once you're verified, SHEIN account will be created and ready to use. You can now browse and save items and place orders easily, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.